I know that when I look at fingernails, you know, when someone comes to see me or has questions like that, you look at the fingernails. If you have a lot of those ridges, you know, or they break easily, they're really brittle. But the ridging is a sign, and the breakage, that you are not utilizing calcium well. And that is a sign of parathyroid weakness. The parathyroid is what utilizes calcium. If you're eating a good diet of raw fruits and vegetables, you're taking in plenty of calcium. The problem is when you're not utilizing it. If that pancreas is weakened by obstructions, by pus and mucus stuck in the glands, or the pituitary is not functioning properly, it's not talking to the glands properly, you can weaken and you're not utilizing the calcium. So it's a good sign. The fingernails are a great indicator of the structural integrity of the body. So if you see weak fingernails, look at that parathyroid. You can see it in the eyes too. It's right at the I don't know I see it on the map, so you can see it on the map. It's right below the thyroid. So anyway, so you want to bring that up, and a lot of times people that are very acidic in the body can't keep up with calcium because the body is stealing calcium to neutralize acids. So you're always robbing calcium from the body, and therefore the body weakens. The bone density scores go down, the skin gets saggy, you're liable to have prolapses, hemorrhoids, hernias, all kinds of things like that. Depression is very much tied to the parathyroid too, and calcium levels. That's why a lot of women get, when they have the babies, especially if they have more than one, they get postpartum depression because the calcium's being sucked out of them, they can't replace it. So again, lots of needless suffering for just simple fixes like this, bringing up that parathyroid. So fingernails very important.